Have you ever reached the end of the month and thought, I earned money, but where did it all go? If yes, the problem isn't your income. The problem is the absence of a budget. Budgeting isn't about cutting joy. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. What is budgeting? Budgeting is deciding in advance how your money will be used. Instead of, let me see what's left at the end of the month, you decide, this is how my money will be used this month. A budget is not a restriction. It's a financial roadmap. Without a map, you might still move forward, but you'll waste time, money, and energy. Why budgeting matters? Budgeting matters because money is emotional. Without a budget, expenses feel overwhelming. Saving feels impossible. Financial stress increases. With a budget, you know exactly where every dollar goes. You spend guilt-free. You save consistently. Financial stress reduces drastically. A budget turns income into progress. When do you need a budget? You need a budget if you earn regularly, you use credit cards, you want to save or invest, you want financial peace. Whether you're a student, salaried professional, or business owner, budgeting is non-negotiable. Basic rules of budgeting. Rule 1: income comes first. Know exactly how much money comes in every month. No estimates. No guessing. Rule 2: budget every dollar. Every dollar should have a job. Spending, saving, investing, protection. If money has no job, it disappears. Rule 3: needs before wants. Needs are essentials. Rent, food, utilities, transport, insurance. Wants are lifestyle choices. Dining out, shopping, subscriptions, entertainment. Never confuse the two. Rule 4: pay yourself first. Savings should not be what's left at the end. Savings should be planned at the beginning. Savings are not optional. Treat them like rent, mandatory. Rule 5: keep it simple. A budget you don't follow is useless. Simple budgets always win. Your budget should reflect real life. Popular budgeting methods. 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investments. Great for beginners. Zero-based budget. Every dollar is assigned a purpose. Income minus expenses equals zero. Pay yourself first method. Save first, spend the rest guilt-free. Practical example. Let's take a simple example. Monthly income, $4,000. Step 1. Fixed expenses. Rent, $1,200. Utilities and internet, $300. Transport, $200. Total fixed, $1,700. Step 2. Variable expenses. Groceries, $400. Eating out, $300. Shopping and fun, $400. Total variable, $1,100. Step 3. Savings and investments. Emergency fund, $400. Investments, $400. Total savings, $800. Total equals $3,600. Remaining buffer equals $400. That buffer gives flexibility without stress. Common budgeting mistakes. Budgeting once and never updating. Being too strict and quitting. Forgetting irregular expenses. Not tracking actual spending. Giving up after one bad month. How to start budgeting today. You don't need fancy tools. Start with a notebook, Excel or Google Sheets, a budgeting app. Write down monthly income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings goals. Review once every month. Budgeting mindset shift. Budgeting doesn't mean, I can't spend money or I can't enjoy life. It means, I can spend confidently because I planned for it and I can enjoy life without financial anxiety. A budget gives you freedom, not limits, and a permission to spend because it's planned. Final takeaway. You don't need a higher salary, a side hustle, a lucky break. Most people wait for more money or a lucky break. You need a plan for the money you already earn. That's how wealth is built. Budgeting is the foundation of saving, investing, protecting wealth. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand budgeting better, like the video, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who always wonders where their money goes or find budgeting difficult. Your financial journey starts with one budget. See you in the next video. Hey, before you go, your financial journey doesn't stop here. Click on any of the videos on your screen to continue mastering personal finance. Each one will help you build the next step of your financial foundation. See you there.